Hello parents, I am Dr. Prashant, pediatrician and nutrition and fitness coach at FITA. Do you know the greatest investment parents can make in their child's health is in the form of exercise, nutrition, sleep and screen time discipline. These four pillars can determine your child's lifelong health, immunity, brain, cognition and mood. The first 1000 days from conception till the age of 2 years, most critical in terms of lifelong health. Poor maternal nutrition can directly increase the risk of childhood obesity, insulin resistance and poor learning behavior. And while at the same time breastfeeding, right time of the weaning and balanced meals during infancy can sharpen your child's brain and improve their immunity and also reduces the risk of adult onset of some diseases. After first 1000 days, the journey continues. Your child's plate should look like rainbow with adequate amount of protein, healthy fats, fruits and veggies. At the same time, high amount of sugar and processed food can lead to childhood obesity, fatty liver and can trigger insulin resistance before teenage years. Balanced meals during childhood actually build the resilience against infections, stabilize their mood, sharpens focus and improve their cognition and learning abilities. At the same time, the balanced meals during childhood prevent the adult onset of diseases and also prevent them from the risk of heart disease and some cancers. Children need minimum 1 hour of outdoor play activity, either in the form of cycling, running, sports or even dancing. Benefits are it builds stronger bones and muscle, improves their focus and concentration, betters their posture and coordination and also prevents them from developing the heart disease by increasing their heart resilience and the lung capacity. If the child skips the outdoor play, it can lead to the childhood obesity, poor lung capacity and at the same time increase of heart diseases in adulthood. Sleep is your child's superpower. It's when the child grows. It's like a natural growth hormone therapy for them. School going children need minimum 9 to 11 hours of sound sleep and poor sleep can directly lead to weak immunity, poor memory and risk of childhood obesity. Chronic sleep deprivation in school going children can lead to mood disorders, depression and even it affects their immunity and puts them directly for the risk of adult onset diseases like fatty liver, then hypertension, diabetes by increasing the insulin resistance. Screens are the biggest health competitor for today's child. So excess screen time is equal to eye strain, then late sleep and poor attention span. The golden rule is less than 2 hours of recreational screen time and more books, more outdoor play and more human connection is all they need. So dear parents, when you take care of these 4 pillars, your child learns faster and remembers longer. They have better mood and emotional regulation. Their creativity and problem solving skills grow. They have stronger bones, resilient immunity, sharper brains and they live longer and healthier lives. So tell me in the comment which one habit you will try to improve in your child today.